Hey guys, I've got a busy video for you today. We're starting out in the master bedroom and bathroom.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right here? You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right here? Well, I'm out here. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out here? I'm up all night, keep pretending. Save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah.
All right guys, so let me know in the comments below how you coming with your Christmas shopping. Are you getting all done? Are you waiting on a few special items? Are you on a hunt for something your child wants that you cannot find anywhere? Let me know what is going on as far as your Christmas shopping. And then how about decorating? I am so far behind, you guys. I've put quilts on my bed. That's it. So I am being slacker whenever it comes to decorating, but I'm going to get caught up and I'm going to get it done. I'm manifesting. I'm going to get my Christmas decorations put up, y'all.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God
All right, guys, we're finishing up the master bedroom and moving on to the master bath, but excited that I can check one area off my to-do list. Let me know, how's your to-do list coming today? Are you working on it with me? Are you making your list? How's things going for you today?
A buzz on and my favorite song is playing in a Broadway bar. Then you walk in and you're all alone, the hottest in the room by far. And you look up and our eyes lock and my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. Well, the sun's up, you wake up, an angel in the morning light. And I don't ever wanna leave, the bed's messed up just right. So we make love and we make plans, and God knows that I'm all about it. We're up high, never coming down, baby, just you and I. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. I've known it since I met you, this love, it was a breakthrough. For the rest of our days, we'll be everything we wanna be. For the rest of our lives.
All right, guys, this is another mark off of our to-do list. The master bath is finished. The towels and the rugs that are normally in this bathroom are in the washing machine to get freshened up as well. So excited, 2 things off of our list.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade.
All right, guys. Dusting Tyler's room was the last thing that I had to do today, so we have finished my to-do list. Thank you so much for following along and being a part of this video and a part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're interested in this content. We would love to see you around. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next one.